Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we are break down O-level maths questions in the simplest way. In this video we will solve past question paper step by step to make sure you understand every concept easily. We will solve D paper 1 4024 by 11. This paper contains 80 marks and time is 2 hours. You have to attempt each and every question. So let's get started. Now we will start from question number 1. Word is given grant. From the word write down the letters which have a line of symmetry or a rotational symmetry, and each contain 1 marks. So first of all, I will define you what is a line of symmetry. A line of symmetry means if a letter look the same when divided to equal halves. So we have two letters in this word that are A and T. When they are divided into two equal halves, they look same. Now, in the second part, rotational symmetry, a letter has rotational symmetry if looks same after 180-degree rotation. So, in this word grant, we have letter N which looks same after 180-degree rotation. So, we will write this here. So this is the solution of question number 1. If you have any confusion, rewatch the video so you will understand the basic concept of this question, that what is a line of symmetry and what is rotational symmetry. Now the question number 2 is, at the start of the day, the mass of the bird is 4.2628 kg. Later in the day, the mass of the bird is 4.693 kg. Calculate the increase in mass and write your answer in grams. So, we will start this question. First of all, we will write the initial mass of the bird. So, initial mass of bird is equal to the 4.628 kg, and the final mass of the bird is, we will write, that is 4.693 kg. Now we have to find the increase in mass. So to find increase, we will subtract final mass from the initial mass. So 4.693 minus 4.628. So you will get 5 and then 6. You will get 0.065 kg. Now you have to convert your increase in mass in grams. So you should remember that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. You have 0.065 kg. It's mean you will multiply this by 1000. So 0.065 multiplied by 1000. We can write in place of 0.1 and 3 digits, so 3 zeros. 3 zeros are cancelled out by these 3 zeros and you have only 65 grams. So this is the answer of your question, and this answer contains 2 marks. Now we will solve question number 3. Now the question number 3 is, Work out 0.3 multiplied by 0.02 is equal to what? In the B part 15% of 40 and in the C part 7 minus into minus 25. We have to give the answer and each contain 1 marks. So first of all we will solve A part. 0.3 multiplied by 0.02. So you will write 0.3 and then 0.02. Multiply this. So write 0. Now first of all multiply 3 into 2 give you 6. 3 into 0 is 0 and 3 into 0 is 0. Now you will write 0, 0 and 0 after multiplying 0 by this. Now you will write 6, 0, 0 and 0. Now you count from right hand side how many numbers are after this decimal. So total are 1, 2 and 3. So you will place decimal after 3 digits from the right hand side. So 1, 2 and 3. So your answer is 0.006. In this A part, you should remember this concept that in the answer at where you will place the decimal, you will count from the right hand side how many digits are after the decimal. So in the question we have 1, 2 and 3 digits that are on the right hand side of the decimal. So you will write decimal after the 3 digits in the answer. Now we will solve the B part, that is 15% of 40. So 15% of 40 can be write as 15% means divided by 100. You should remember that percent means divided by 100, of means multiply by 40. So simplify this, 0 is cancelled out by this 0 and then you have 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So this is equal to 6. So the answer of B part is 6. Now we will solve the C part, that is 7 minus into minus 25. So subtracting a negative number is the same as adding. So 7 minus minus will become plus, because you should know this that when minus is multiplied by minus, it will become plus. So minus into minus will become plus and 25 plus 7 is equal to the 32. So the answer of C part is 32. I hope you understand all the different concepts that are used in this question number 3. First we have multiplication of two decimal number and then we place the decimal point. In the B part you have find the percentage of 15% of 40 and in this you have just divide this by 100 and multiply by 40. And in the C part minus minus will become plus and you will add 7 plus 25, that is equal to 32. Now we will solve question number 4. Now question number 4 is ABC is a triangle with AC is equal to 5 centimeter and BC is equal to the 10 centimeter. Use a ruler and a compass only. Construct a triangle ABC. AB has been drawn for you. AB is already given in your question paper. You have to just take AC and BC and also measure the angle, that is BAC. Now we will solve this question. First of all, AB length is given. Now you will open your compass of the radius 5 centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter and draw an arc from point A. Now open your compass of the 10 centimeter and place on the point B and draw an arc. So this is 10 centimeter. So this cut the arc A that was of 5 centimeter at this point. So we will join this point by A and C. So this will become a triangle. Now in the B part you will also tell what is the angle that is on A. So with the help of protractor you will find the angle. So angle will be 100 degree. Now we will solve question number 5. Now question number 5 is the table shows the information about a class of 28 students and the distance from their school is given such that distance of 1 kilometer or less is for 11 boys and distance of more than 1 kilometer is for 3 boys and 6 girls. In the A part complete the table and this contain 1 marks. So we will solve this in very easy. First of all, we will write the total students that are equal to the distance from 1 kilometer or less. So that are 11 and let's suppose this is x. So 11 plus x plus 3 plus 6 and total are equal to 28 that is given in the question. So 28 is equal to 11 plus 9 which is equal to 20. So 20 plus x. Now x will be equal to 28 minus 20. This is equal to 8. So x is equal to the 8. So you will write 8 in place of this. Now we will solve B part. Now the B part is a student is chosen at random from the class. Write down the probability that student live more than 1 kilometer from the school. So in this part you have to find the probability of a student living more than 1 kilometer away from the school. So if you look at the table, you find that 3 boys and 6 girls have the distance of more than 1 kilometer from the school. So in the solution you will write total students living is equal to 3 plus 6 which is equal to 9 and total students are equal to the 28 that is given in the question. So probability will be equal to the 9 by 28 because probability always equal to the number of the events and divided by the total number of the sample space. So number of events are 9 and total number of the sample space are 28. So probability will be 9 by 8. So this is the solution of question number 5. Now we will solve the next question. Now the question number 6a part is simplify 6r plus 7s minus r plus 3s, and this question contain 1 marks. So we will write first of all 6r plus 7s minus r plus 3s. We know that we will arrange the like terms. So 6r and minus r the same. Both have the same variable and the power is also 1. So write 6r minus r. S and s both are same. So we will write plus 7 and plus 3s. So this will become equal to the 6r minus r is 5r. 7s plus 3s is 10s. Now you can take 5 as common, so remaining is r plus 2s. So this is the final answer. I hope you understand all the steps we have done in this question. Now the B part of question number 6 is bananas cost X cent each and apples cost Y cent each. Write an expression for total cost of 7 bananas and 5 apples. And this question contains just 1 marks. So we will solve this question. First of all, you will write cost of 1 banana is given in the question, that is X for each. So for 1 banana is X cent and cost of 1 apple is equal to the Y cent. So total cost of 7 bananas will be equal to 7x. So you will write cost of 7 bananas will be equal to 7x cent and the cost of 5 apples will be equal to the 5x cents. So sum of the cost will be the final answer. So sum of cost, that is equal to 7x plus 5y. So this is the answer of this question and this contains 1 marks. Now we will solve question number 7. Now the question number 7 is a square and a regular pentagon are joined along one edge as shown in the diagram. Calculate the value of x. You have to find out this angle, that is x. So we will start this question. First of all, you know that the square has each angle is 90 degree. Each angle of a square is equal to the 90 degree and a regular pentagon have 5 sides and its interior angle will be, we have first find out, then we will find out the exterior angle. So the formula for the interior angle for a pentagon will be interior angle is equal to the n minus 2 multiply 180 by n. So in case of a pentagon we have 5 sides. So this will equal to 5 minus 2 multiply 180 by 5. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So 3 multiply 180 by 5. We will solve this. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 3 5 6 are 30. So 36 multiply 3 is 3 into 6 is 18 and 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. So 108 degree. Now we know that the pentagon is a regular shape. So the exterior angle at each vertex will be equal to the exterior angle at each vertex will be equal to 180 minus 108, which is equal to the 72 degree. So we have to find out the value of x. For this, we have the exterior angle at each vertex is 72 degree. Now we know that the each angle in the sphere is 90 degree. So exterior angle at each vertex for the sphere will be equal to also 90 degree. So the value of x will be equal to the exterior angle for each sphere is 90 plus 72, which is equal to 162. So the value of x will be 162. So this is the answer of this question. Now we will solve question number 8. Now question number 8 is Ahmad invests $4,000 at the rate of 1.5% per year. Simple interest. Calculate the value of investment after 2 years. We have to find out the value of investment after 2 years. This question contains 2 marks. So you should remember the formula of interest. That is equal to the P multiply R multiply T divided by 100. So here P is the principal amount, that is 4,000. So P is equal to 4,000 and R is the rate, that is 1.5%, and time is 2 years. So we will put these value in this. So interest is equal to P is 4,000 multiply R is 1.5 and T is 2 and divided this by 100. So we will get 4 multiply 15 multiply 2. So this is equal to the 15 multiply 2 is 30, 30 multiply 4 is 120. So I is equal to 120. Now the total value of investment will be T is equal to P minus I. So value of P is 4,000 minus I is 120. So you will get value is both will be added. So P plus I and this is 4120. So after 2 years he will get 4120. I hope you understand all the question number 1 to 8 that we have solved in this video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve the remaining question of this paper. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.